Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites, Zoom installed and VS Code up to date. Open your project folder in VS Code and make sure extensions like Live Share or Remote SSH are installed. Once done, enable Zoom screen sharing and test audio/video briefly so collaboration is smooth. Next, start a new Live Share session or set up SSH access so you can share terminals and editors. These first steps let you focus on code rather than connection problems. Now you will create the collaborative environment. Launch Live Share or simply share the VS Code application window in Zoom. If using Live Share, invite participants and grant the appropriate permissions. Share terminals, forwarded ports, and the debugger to reproduce issues quickly. Make sure to explain which files are editable versus view-only to avoid accidental overwrites. Once collaborators join, walk through the file tree and set breakpoints together. This reduces miscommunication and speeds debugging while preserving project integrity. To finish, stop the screen share and end the Live Share session while saving any shared terminal output or chat for later reference. Make sure to revoke edit permissions and commit changes to the repo so nothing is lost. If things go wrong, try a simple remedy. Reduce Zoom video quality or share only the editor pane to cut bandwidth. Restart Live Share or reinstall the extension if connections fail. Finally, confirm everyone can pull the repo and run tests locally so the session's work persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.